our first airplane, and we will be changing planes and heading to Mexico. Now we're getting on plane number 2. We're in Mexico. We have to go through immigration first. Now we get on the golf cart. So we had to take a tram and then a small little golf cart, and now we are walking to where we check in. A bucket of plantains, and what else is in there? Yucca.
And sweet potato was in there.
Yeah, sweet potato, but they're all gone. They're really good. Tub. I can go swimming in that thing. Oh my gosh. This is our outside. Got a couple of loungy chairs. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is the rest of it. We walk through. And we have a little plunge pool. Oh, that's so cute. It's kind of like a giant bathtub, really. Space everybody gets to live in. The dining room table. Here's the kitchen. The restroom. Little sink. And more sinks. Lots of sinks. And this is the view with the plunge pool. We got a view of our room with the tub. We have the sinks. And the step-in shower. Huge green trees. Nice. I'm sitting on one of the chairs. This is the view. Once you go over that, you have a lovely grassy wooded view. It's so pretty. Reminds me of Hawaii. There's some palm trees. Very pretty. We even get robes to wear. That's cool. We are in the rooms right now, and we are all so exhausted from traveling. We're actually going to order room service for dinner and just have a dinner here in the room and then start fresh tomorrow. So until tomorrow, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.